I want to ask you is that अगर आपको वायु राघवन को लेके कंपेयर करना होगा एक क्रिकेटर से, यार ये क्रिकेटर जैसा है.
I feel वायु राघवन एक थोड़ा भेलपुरी पकोड़ा चाट है of two cricketers when I was playing the character. Of course, you would have that version of.
बट मेरे को भी अभी ऐसा लग रहा है मैं बैठी हूँ, तनुज नहीं मेरे बाजू में वायु राघवन बैठे हैं.
पहला सीजन जब भी हम बना रहे थे ना, we have worked for pocket money. We have just worked out of passion.
तो हाईएस्ट बिड आपके हिसाब से कौन सी टीम लगाएगी वायु राघवन पे?
Well, right now I feel when my mom and me were watching it for the first time, and suddenly वो scene start होता है, धीरे धीरे हाथ छोड़ती है, then scene खत्म होता है, she's like, तनुज ये सब क्या है? What are you doing? हमने mom.
Hello there everyone, welcome to Bat Ball or Baate. This episode is for those who love cricket, binge-worthy shows, or maybe both, because today I have with me Vayu Raghavan. Oops, sorry, Tanuj Nirvani. Bhai sab, like wo super hit, like we actually thought he's a cricketer in Inside Edge. I genuinely thought, and he's a massive cricket lover actually in real life.
Well, firstly, wonderful to be here और thank you आपने मुझे इतना धमाकेदार introduction दिया मुझे और वायु दोनों को, so धन्यवाद. And yeah, it's great to be here. I think this is the first time I'm doing a podcast like that, which is so driven towards sport and towards yeah, so it's fantastic.
So let's pad up then. I think the very first question is going to be about Inside Edge. In real life, you're a cricket fan. In real life, तो आप cricketer ही थे. How is that like? Can you give us a brief? Because as an Inside Edge fan, I want to know more about it.
I mean, आपके करियर में बहुत ऐसे कम मौके मिलते, आपको इतने कम मौके मिलते हैं where you get to do the two things you love the most.
Right.
मुझे एक्टिंग का शौक है और क्रिकेट खेलने का शौक है. देखो मेरी उंगली भी टेढ़े है. This is not me doing anything. My fingers are actually crooked because of fielding, catching, all that stuff over the years. I've been playing. बचपन से खेलते आ रहा हूँ.
Right.
हम लोग जुहू पे रहते थे, जुहू बीच से खेलते आ रहा हूँ, कॉलोनी में खेलता था, अभी बिल्डिंग में खेलता हूँ, अपने लोनावला के फार्म हाउस पे खेलते हैं. तो आई लव क्रिकेट. सो जब मुझे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर से कॉल आया कि ये एक हम लोग एक दैट टाइम इट वाज नॉट कॉल्ड इनसाइड एज, इट वाज ओरिजिनली कॉल्ड खेल. देन जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, इट टर्न इनटू पावर प्ले, which by the way is a title I really liked. But then for some unforeseen reasons, it eventually Inside Edge, हर एक शो अपने अपने नसीब के साथ आ जाते हैं. So that's how it happened, and I was over the moon. But they normally जब आपको ऑडिशन करते हैं, आपका ऑडिशन लेते हैं, they are only going to be like, okay, आप सीन में परफॉर्म कैसे करते हो. So वो मैंने किया, and just so you guys know, it was the cheerleader scene from season 1. Trust me guys, when you are performing that scene, there's no cheerleader, there's no nothing. There's talcum powder and there's one computer chair on wheels, and you have to perform that scene in front of 2-3 guys. It is very uncomfortable, and when I walked out of that audition, I'm like, this might be the best or worst thing I've ever done, and I have a feeling all these guys are going to sit and watch this audition and laugh. Right. So I was quite pleasantly surprised जब मुझे call back मिला. But after that, the more pertinent question जो मुझसे पूछा गया was, आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो? एंड आई एम लाइक हाँ. दे लाइक नहीं ऐसे तो हर हिंदुस्तानी खेलते हैं, बट डू यू एक्चुअली प्ले इट? आर यू लाइक we need to figure out what your technique is. So they called me. So our showrunner Karan Anshuman actually very casually invited me for a session of cricket with him and his friends and stuff and all. And I was like, okay, let's show them who the daddy is, right? So he's like a very understated guy. So I'm like, so he's like, yeah, why don't you go and show us what he got. Open the batting.
Oh, wow.
So मैं गया पूरा style में गया, batting, and first ball, it was a nice juicy ball, full toss, miss हो गया, bold. I'm like roll गया हाथ से, everything gone.
Right.
I come back to him and he's like, okay, so you can't play. I'm like, bro, don't judge me based on just one innings. Please, अगले match में I'm assuming हम लोग और भी matches खेलेंगे, right? 8-8, 10-10 over के matches खेलते हैं. He's like, yeah, there's one more match, you'll get one more shot. I'm like, please send me opening. He's like, अरे फिर से हम लोग हार जाएंगे. I'm like, just send me opening one time, please, okay? And then he's like, okay, fine, go. And luckily in that match, I batted very well, and he's like, okay, I think we're on. I think I found my Vayu. So that's how it started.
वायु जैसे ही आप आए, बट
और मैं सच बताऊं, हमारे इंडस्ट्री के इतने सारे लोग थे जिन्होंने कहा कि यार तू क्या कर रहा है, यू हैव कम हियर टू बिकम अ फिल्म एक्टर, ये यूट्यूब कंटेंट क्या है, ये ओटीटी क्या है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड बैक इन 2016 जब ये सब चल रहा था, ओटीटी डिड नॉट एग्जिस्ट, सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डिसुएडेड मी कि यार आपको ये शो नहीं करना चाहिए, बट माय गट इंस्टिंक्ट वाज लाइक एक्सेल इससे जुड़ा है, विवेक, रिचा, शायोनी, अंगद, संजय सर, इतने सारे अच्छे अच्छे कलाकार इस शो के साथ जुड़े थे, एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाट्स द हार्म, लेट्स गो प्लस क्रिकेट.
बट सिंस यू स्पोक अबाउट दिस एंगल ऑफ इट कि यार क्रिकेट में क्यों तुम घुस रहे हो,
जी
बट क्रिकेट एंड बॉलीवुड का कॉम्बिनेशन बड़ा चंगा चंगा है. लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट लिटिल मसालेदार पार्ट, इफ यू सी
हाँ.
देयर आर सो मेनी cricketers and actors together, whether it is Anushka, Virat,
जी.
it worked well, KL Athia, they look really nice together, but there are a lot of
Absolutely.
gossip parts about it, whether it is Sara Ali Khan, Shubman Gill, Hardik and Ananya, and there are many more such.
Hardik and Ananya?
Yeah.
I didn't hear that one. Thanks.
Everyone heard about that.
I'm a full pummy auntie, so thank you for my daily gossip. I did not know about that.
आपको और देती हूँ
हाँ.
off camera. And even Rishabh and Urvashi, everyone knows about that.
Yeah.
What do you want to talk about that, correlation between
See, yaar,
cricket
it's simple.
and-
What are the two things that we Indians, all of us, collectively as a country, love to
बराबर.
consume?
Hmm.
Films और cricket. यानी बाकी सब बाद में आ जाएगा. So these are the two most glamour-driven, high-profile things a person can be part of. So obviously, when there's so much money, power, glamour, and nowadays, there's so much cross-pollination. Like I believe Anushka and Virat also met on the set of a shampoo commercial, right? Because
right.
I think they wanted to pair up a cricketer with a
an
hotshot
actress,
actress, stuff like that. So I think it's success always finds comfort in success. You usually see high rollers or people. That's just the way it is because they are living in a completely different world, a different stratosphere, which जो दिखने में इस दुनिया की तरह है, but it is very different. So I feel if you are able to find someone, and see at the end of the day, you have to get the other person here and here. It doesn't matter big, small, successful, unsuccessful, homemaker, career oriented, but I feel it tends to happen. और ये सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, आप अगर दुनिया में भी देखोगे तो इतने सारे हाई प्रोफाइल ऐसे कपल्स होते हैं who make it work.
That's there.
Yeah, because I feel at that level, at that height, you are able to understand and see things because you are also facing it. The media scrutiny, the highs are so high, आपके lows इतने low होते हैं और lonely हो जाते हैं. So you need someone who gets it. आम आदमी की बस की बात नहीं है. I don't think so.
वो तो है. That's why I think they're one of the most top-notch industries in our country. No
Yes.
offense, it is.
Yes.
Moving on again, coming to Vayu Raghavan.
जी.
Virendra Sehwag, he gave you some pointers. I don't know if it's true.
Oh, yeah.
He did, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about that? How was it?
Okay, so we were shooting promotional materials inside at season 2 के लिए और तो Excel और Amazon because season 1 आ चुका था and we had just gotten nominated for the international Emmys, जो कि हमारे लिए हमारे पूरे प्रोडक्शन के लिए कास्ट क्रू के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी.
Right.
We were shooting in Georgia when that happened, so हम लोग बहुत excited थे. So everybody knew that now we have to take it to the next level. Or how do we do that? It has to seem organic if we were able to actually get cricketers on board. So in season 2 we had Virupaji. In season 3 we had Ravi Bhai, who was giving Vayu advice over the phone and stuff about selection. So it's such a surreal feeling, plus I get to work with Angad, who is the son of the great Bishan Singh Bedi, so I mean he's a legit cricketer. Of course he's an actor, but he's a legit cricketer as well. तो मुझे अभी भी याद है जब मुझे अपने मैनेजर से मैसेज आया कि अच्छा टुमारो आप वीरेंद्र सहवाग के साथ शूट करने वाले हो. I was like, huh? What? Really? Pinch me now. Is this actually happening? I was really excited. Like, तो actors को लेकर मैं honestly इतना ज़्यादा starstruck नहीं होता हूँ. Maybe because I am also an actor and yeah. But when it comes to sportsmen, especially cricketers, man, I get really excited. So मैंने पूछा कि अच्छा concept क्या है, क्या shoot करे. So they explained to me कि अच्छा पहले आप जब बैटिंग करने आते हो ना तो आपका फॉर्म नहीं चल रहा है, आप हर बॉल मिस कर रहे हो, आपको शॉर्ट पिच बॉलिंग खेलना नहीं आता. You all these things happening. I'm like, तो मुझे वीरेंद्र सहवाग के सामने हगना है कि मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकता हूँ, कि मैं बाउंसर फेस नहीं कर सकता हूँ, कि मैं बोल्ड होते जा रहा हूँ. They're like, yeah. I'm like, no. So they're like, bro, it's just acting. I'm like, हाँ, but भाई ये, I'm like, ठीक है, अभी क्या करूँ, अभी this is the job. But I'm like, as we go go along the reel,
Indeed,
the ad, I'll get better. Like, no, eventually you are cracking and knocking it out of the park. तो हमारी शूट स्टार्ट हुई और वो इतने मस्त आदमी है, शूट के बीच में गुनगुना रहे थे, जोक्स क्रैक कर रहे थे, माहौल सेट पर बहुत ही लाइट था. कभी कभी जब आप ऐसे हाई प्रोफाइल लोगों के साथ काम करते ना, तो द इंटायर यूनिट इज ऑन देयर टोज, बिकॉज उन्हें पता नहीं ना यार, सनक गया या मूड नहीं आया सर का, तो पता नहीं. बट
possible.
ही वाज सो लवली टू वर्क विद, एंड मुझे बड़ा मजा आया. एंड जब आप वो कंटेंट पीस आप देखोगे तो यू विल ओनली सी दैट वी अंगद, Virupaji and me were actually having a blast.
Blast,
So
yeah.
that was a lot of fun. Yeah.
Okay, now knowing more of your fan side,
जी.
recently तो आपने देखा होगा India's performance against Ireland series. Have you watched that?
Yeah, I watch every single match India plays.
As
Yeah.
as अगर आपको वायु राघवन का POV देना होगा and अगर तनुज का POV देना होगा तो क्या दिखेगा वो POV?
See, different POVs, but Vayu Raghavan again ना, season 1, season 2, season 3 में काफी evolve हो चुके हैं. तो you have to specifically be like, do you want me to give you the I don't give two hoots वाला season 1 Vayu?
आपके हिसाब से दे दो.
Because season 3 तक ना अभी मंत्रा भी आ गई जिंदगी में, इंडिया कैप्टन भी बन गए, थोड़ी बहुत थेरा भी आ गई, so it's a little different thing. But honestly, jokes apart, as Tanuj, I would say यार पैनिक करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, because firstly ना यार, मैं सच बताऊं शायद थोड़ा controversial होगा, but I find these bilateral series very pointless, you know, because at least अभी टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप की वजह से each test series, each test match has some meaning. But अभी क्या है, now अभी 50 ओवर का माहौल चलेगा, because now that is the next big flagship ICC event coming up. So I'm like, okay, ठीक है, you know, and I also feel somewhere after playing 2 months of T20 cricket, you're traveling every day, you're either traveling or you're coaching or you're playing, right? इंसान चाहे आप 15 साल के क्यों ना हो, चाहे आप 35 साल के क्यों ना हो, फिजिकली, इमोशनली, मेंटली आप बर्नट आउट हो ही जाते हो. Secondly, the World Cup happened in India, IPL happened in India. Now you are going to very, very different conditions. You know, I don't want to find excuses, but facts are facts. I mean, cricket, अगर आप देखोगे, is one of the very few sports which is so determined by the conditions. इसलिए I love Test cricket, because depending on the state of the ball, state of the pitch, where the wind is coming from, is it overcast, is there moisture in the air, is it sunny? There's so many different, you know, what are the dimensions of the ground? Speaking of dimensions, that stadium in Belfast, I'm sorry, is not a cricket stadium. I think it is a multi-purpose stadium that उसमें उन लोग cricket भी खेलते, but if you look at it, वो उनके dimensions बहुत अजीब थे. Because I could see there were occasions where our boys were timing the ball properly and आराम से fielder के हाथ में आ रहे. So, not to make excuses, but I feel it was a very low stakes thing, and कभी कभार it is important that जब आप इतने अच्छी तरीके से चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, वर्ल्ड कप, बैक टू बैक आप परफॉर्म करते आ रहे हो. आई थिंक आवर वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट हैज बीन फैंटास्टिक इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ इयर्स अंडर गौतम गंभीर. You need to be humbled sometimes. You need a bit of a reality check, and thank God कि ऐसे reality checks ऐसे pointless bilateral series में हुए हैं, and not at some ICC event.
That's true.
You know.
No, obviously.
So it's fine. I wouldn't. Now, if you have the same conversation with me after the 5-match T20 series against England, and फिर से हम लोग से whitewash हो गए, अभी एक तो wash out हो गया, तो अगर हम 4-0 या 3-1 से हारेंगे, then of course I will be having a very different conversation. But I wouldn't want to judge based on 2 matches.
But there are more, like many questions going on. Shreyas Iyer's captaincy, Tilak Verma's as a vice captain. Then again, why was Rajat Patidar and Vaibhav Suryavanshi not seen on the crease playing? And the opening batters, Sanju and Abhishek got out on Golden Duck. Your POV on that.
मैं सच बताऊं ना, अभी क्या है कि Indian cricket, right from a grassroots level all the way up to the IPL, इतना तगड़ा हो गया है that I literally feel you can send minimum 3 Team Indias to any World Cup event, and at least 2 of those 3 teams will reach the semi-finals. That is the bench strength that we have. And yes, मैं Sky का बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ, and he was getting the results. But sadly, as a leader, you have to lead by example, and over the past 18 months, उनका form उनका साथ नहीं दे रहा था.
I agree.
You know,
वो captain knock नहीं.
I often wondered कि यार श्रेयस को क्यों नहीं ले रही टीम में, because Shreyas is such a talented guy.
Selectors ने सुन ली देखो.
No, and I kept wondering, I'm like, क्यों नहीं ले रहे यार, why? And I'm like, okay, but like he's not an opener. He's not someone who can bat at 6 or 7. He can bat where Sky is batting. So I think it was a direct swap.
Right.
And of course, it looks harsh right now. The decision कि यार ऐसे कैसे World Cup winning captain को आप ऐसे कैसे हटा सकते हो? Yes, but it's a very challenging and ruthless sport, and you have to be ruthless. Why have the Australians dominated for so many years? Because they are ruthless. Perform or perish. It does not. आप सिर्फ आपके stats या आपके persona या आपके आपने जो किया था पहले उसके वजह से आप current form आपका कैसा है?
Yes.
Even a Steve Smith has to fight for his place in the team. So it is okay. And I understand that now you've got the Asian Games coming up, you've got the Olympics coming up. Then in 2028, you have the next cricket, the T20 World Cup coming up. So obviously, you need time for the next generation to
Come and evolve.
to come and express themselves and be unified. You don't want to start building a team 6 months before a world event. So even though it was a tough call, मेरा मानना ये है कि it was the right call, and I'm saying this as a very big Surya Kumar Yadav fan.
But आपने like कहा ना कि श्रेयस अय्यर you wanted somewhere like why श्रेयस अय्यर not seen the captain selectors ने सुन लिया आपके
नहीं अच्छी बात है because after a point कैसे नहीं सुनते यार. I mean okay ना आप कहोगे कि अच्छा IPL है international cricket है, but I mean I feel the quality of cricket largely in the IPL is as high top as international cricket, and चाहे जिस तरीके से वो कैप्टन करते हैं या खेलते हैं, मैच विनिंग नॉक्स खेलते हैं, लीड बाय एग्जांपल. वेरी सैड टू सी व्हाट हैपेंड टू पंजाब इन द सेकंड हाफ ऑफ द आईपीएल. लाइक अभी तक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि यार आप बैक टू बैक आई थिंक 6 या 7 मैच जीते हो, और उसके बाद यू कांट दैट सेम टीम व्हिच वाज मस्ती के लिए 200 250 बना रहे थे, दे वर नॉट एबल टू. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, बट अगेन राइट, क्रिकेट इज अ ग्रेट लेवल, यू नेवर नो. बट hats off to him, and I think this is richly deserved. He's also had a couple of pretty nasty injuries for him to come back from that. I read his he updated his bio a couple of days back where he said where he wrote a certain date and he said so and so date because it's my second coming, it's my second birth. So I feel there was a time when he probably didn't think he would be able to play at the highest level, and he's back now, and I wish him all the very best. I know him personally. In fact, he's come here a couple of times, and I'm always rooting for him. Yeah.
Okay, now वापस आते हैं वायु राघवन. I think audience wants to know more a little
Please
more
पूछो
about
पूछो.
तो I want to ask you is that अगर आपको वायु राघवन को लेके कंपेयर करना होगा एक क्रिकेटर से, यार ये क्रिकेटर जैसा है, this is how he is, which cricketer's name would you take?
I would take. I feel वायु राघवन एक थोड़ा भेलपुरी pakoda chart hai of two cricketers when I was playing the character. Of course, you would have that version of Virat, not the very chilled hermit that Virat Kohli is now, but I'm talking about that guy and Yuvraj Singh. So, of course, जब मैं ये किरदार निभा रहा था and I was prepping, I always like to start with a clean slate. नहीं तो आप mimicry कर रहे हो, आप किसी का नकल कर रहे हो, then it's not organic. So you have to make it your own, but I feel the gist was that I have to portray what a modern day Indian cricketer is. I've grown up watching. I started watching cricket in 1996. Okay, but I really got into cricket in the early 2000s. So you're talking about the phase कि जब लक्ष्मण थे, द्रविड़ थे, सचिन थे, सहवाग थे, Ganguly थे, all those guys, and they really played like gentlemen's game. Of course, they had aggression, they had their moments, but today's cricketer, the mindset is, I mean, look at Vaibhav Suryavanshi. The guy is मस्ती में मार रहा है बुमराह को, Stark को, world class top bowlers, hitting them out of the park first ball because they are fearless. Devil may care attitude. So I tried to bring that same aura, that same vibe to वायु राघवन. और ये मेरे लिए सबसे important चीज है कि वो जो inherent आपकी जो personality है ना, it is on and off the field. ऐसे नहीं कि यार फील्ड पे आप शेर रहोगे और ऑफ द फील्ड आप ऐसे बन जाते हो. सो फॉर मी इट वाज इंपॉर्टेंट इन माय बॉडी लैंग्वेज, इन द वे आई वाज डिलीवरिंग माय डायलॉग्स, इन द वे माय एक्सप्रेशंस वर, टू ट्राई एंड स्टे कंसिस्टेंट. और क्या है ना कि पहली बार जब आप एक कैरेक्टर निभाते हो, you don't really have any yardstick because you're playing it for the first time. And I'd never done a show before, and I'd never done a season 2 before. So जब season 1 और season 2 में there was a 14 to 15 month gap while we were getting permissions to shoot and everything and all that, writing the script, time तो लगता है. And मैं पैनिक होने लगा because सब मैं जहाँ भी जाता था लोग मेरा नाम नहीं जानते थे, but everybody knew who वायु राघवन was, and I'm like, ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट इफ वो जो कैरेक्टर का जो नब्ज था जो मैंने पकड़ा था, व्हाट इफ अगर वो छूट गया इस बार, and what if I'm trying to be and I'm not actually being. So I was like, oh God, what to do? Should I watch the show over and over and over again, or should I do this, or should I take some workshop? And then Karan, our showrunner, sat down with me and he's like, listen, the reason I cast you is because I saw Vayu in you before you saw it in yourself. I believed in you when you didn't have that belief in yourself. So now I need you to have that belief in yourself because you've done it before. You will do it again. And till the day you die, I wake you up when you're 70 also, and I'm like, Vayu Raghavan, Aiga, you will be Vayu. So and when he told me that, na, it just suddenly, na, कभी कभार हम अपने दिमाग में चीजें को कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं. And when he said that, na, I'm like, it's so simple. Finally,
Right.
I am the vessel, I'm the actor, but I'm the one serving that dish to the audience. So I know the recipe. Why are you panicking, Tanuj? And after it was like makhan.
राइट, बट मेरे को भी अभी ऐसा लग रहा है मैं बैठी हूँ, तनुज नहीं, मेरे बाजू में वायु राघवन बैठे हैं.
Tanuj is a lot more chilled. वायु हमेशा wired रहता है, you know, yeah.
बट ऐसे लगा नहीं. When I was watching the series, I was
Yeah.
like, he is that cool. I actually feel
No,
like I'm
he's
sitting
cool,
next to a
but
cricketer.
he's cool, but वो शायद सीजन 1 में ड्रग्स की वजह से या सीजन 2 में बिकॉज वो इतना कुछ, you know, they were trying to drop him from the team, drop his captaincy, ये वो, so he was always trigger happy, you know, and that comes across उनके बैटिंग में भी, उनके डिसीजंस में भी, you know, but it's so much fun. I love being Vayu. I love playing that character.
Since you had mentioned even IPL का तो फीवर कभी नहीं जाता है. अगर IPL खत्म भी हो तो IPL का
अरे
फीवर रहता ही
IPL
रहता
खत्म हो
है.
जाता है ना 2 महीने के बाद ना, मुझे विड्रॉल सिम्टम्स होते हैं. सडनली माय लाइफ हैज नो पर्पस. 3-4 दिन में ऐसे ही बैठा रहता हूँ यहाँ पे टीवी के सामने, बोला अब क्या देखें, अब क्या करूँ, बिकॉज इट जस्ट बिकम्स अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. आई लव द IPL.
Okay, and how did you feel about RCB winning for the second time
So
back to
happy,
back?
so happy. I mean, amazing, right? I mean, they have been such an unlucky team because they have reached so many finals and they kept losing in the finals. You know, like if you look at RCB, they've had a very good record, but and they had Gale and they had De Villiers and they've had like some amazing KP. They've had some amazing players over the years and all, but for some reason, something was missing. And last year when they came, that aura was only different.
I think the last 2 years since that.
And this year, it was like, we're here to show you guys, to show the entire league, the entire world, that last year was not a fluke. This is where we belong. You want to win the IPL, you need to go past us. And well, no team could. No team came close. They were phenomenal.
अगर हम वायु राघवन की बात करें तो हाईएस्ट बिड आपके हिसाब से कौन सी टीम लगाएगी वायु राघवन पे?
Well, right now I feel Lucknow Super Giants is in all sorts of trouble. Big mess. Abhi to Pant bhi gaye, right? And I feel, yeah, they would need someone as explosive as Vayu Raghavan, because if you see, there are a lot of similarities in Vayu's game and Pant's game as well, except for the wicket keeping. Yeah.
Okay, and अगर
जो कि मैं real life में करता हूँ.
really और
Yeah,
wicket
yeah.
keeper?
I can keep also. Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a new angle.
I bowl military medium. I bowl spin. I keep. मैं सब
मैं
करता
बोल
हूँ.
रही हूँ ना, मेरे बाजू में तनुज इरवानी नहीं बैठे, वायु राघवन नहीं बैठे.
See, अभी
ऐसे
क्या
लग
है
रहा
ना, मैं कोई ट्रेन क्रिकेटर नहीं हूँ, मैं गली क्रिकेटर हूँ. तो जब भी आप गली क्रिकेटर होते हो ना मुंबई के स्ट्रीट्स पे ना, जब भी आप मैदान में जाते हो ना, तो दे एक्सपेक्ट यू टू प्ले एवरीथिंग.
True.
You have to know everything.
You have to know.
You may not be master of anything, but you have to be jack of all trades.
Okay, but since you said LSG would have done the highest bid, are you sure Vayu Raghavan would have been part of the team, or you would want Vayu Raghavan to be a part of this team? ये team में, but वो ज़्यादा जचेगा.
I mean, honestly, if you ask me, I would love to be part of Mumbai, because I'm a true blue Mumbaikar.
Mumbaikar.
हाँ, मैं यही कहूँ. But I'm saying bid wise, probably LSG would bid the highest.
Oh, ज़रूरत है.
तो फिर पैसा फेंको, तमाशा देखो ना.
Point.
वायु जाएगा जहाँ पे पैसा है ना यार. He has to support that fancy lifestyle.
True.
Yeah.
That. Okay, and you know, since you are a big superhero, you're
Oh,
a
yes.
fan, a collector.
जी.
अगर आपको क्रिकेट की ऐसी कोई चीजें कलेक्ट करने, आपको म्यूजियम में कलेक्ट करने को मिलेगी, क्रिकेट म्यूजियम में, तो कौन से मेमोरीज, मोमेंट्स और प्लेयर्स कलेक्ट करेंगे आप?
एक्चुअली मैं क्रिकेट के मेमोरेबिलिया भी कलेक्ट करता हूँ खुद के. तो मेरे जितने भी जर्सीज है इनसाइड एज के, बैट, बॉल, फिर सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी जो साथ में थे मेरे साथ इनसाइड एज पे, उन्होंने he's truly talented, that boy. He had made this amazing painting where he drew my face, but it's like kind of being blown by the wind. So Vayu, right? And he had gifted that for my birthday. I have a few other the training jerseys. तो सब वो फ्रेम करके मैंने अपने लोनावला के फार्म हाउस में रखा है. So I do collect. I also love getting my bats autographed by cricketers I look up to. So far, I have Surya Kumar, I have Sachin Tendulkar, and I have MS Dhoni. I have these three. So far.
Wow.
And they've written like proper, yeah. Surya Kumar to wrote a nice long message for me and all that. So I had gone for an event, so it's very happy.
ओके अगेन क्रिकेट में अगर पैर रखे तो इंग्लैंड सीरीज चल रहा है.
जी.
इंग्लैंड सीरीज के बारे में क्या है आपका व्यू पॉइंट, क्या आपके प्रेडिक्शंस क्या है मैच के बारे में?
सीरीज कौन जीतेगा?
हाँ
बारिश.
अरे
इंग्लैंड में और क्या है, इंग्लैंड में तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है. सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग यार. आई फेल्ट कि कल के मैच में हमने अबव पार टोटल बनाई, स्पेशली बिकॉज़ वी आर 6 for 2. ईशान किशन नीड्स टू डू समथिंग अबाउट हिज रनिंग बिटवीन विकेट्स. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. I don't know what's going on because he's so talented. He doesn't need to take those risks. You know, I put on the TV. I'm like, 6 for 2. What the hell is going on? But terrific comeback. एक वक्त पे ऐसा लग रहा था कि 200 भी बन जाए. But I feel if you ask me honestly, अभी 4 मैच बचे हैं ना. I have because England भी ना तगड़ी टीम है. So and we don't have Bumrah, right? But I would say 2-all.
2-all. Okay.
Provided चारों मैच में रेन इंटरप्शंस ना हो और अगर एक और मैच वॉश आउट हो जाएगा then I would say 2-1 in India's favor. But otherwise I feel it will be 2-all.
Okay. And अगर Tanuj has to give like his playing 11, I want these to play for sure.
हाँ.
किन के नाम लोगे?
T20 या ODI because उसके बाद ODI भी है.
दोनों का बता दो आपका.
अरे वाह.
Whatever you feel.
अरे टॉप ऑफ द हेड अभी कैसे बताओ? But नहीं, I mean whoever is in this team deserves to play. I feel I want to see the wonder kid. I want to see Suryavanshi. You can't take him to Ireland and to England and just be like हाँ चलो यार बेटा आप टूर पे आए हो, you know, you खिलाओ. He needs to play with the big boys and maybe he won't perform in every match, but that experience will really help us leading up to the 2028 T20 World Cup. So if I would probably, I'm sorry, but at this point drop Sanju Samson and well, provided Ishan Kishan learns to run between the wickets better, and I would get Suryavanshi right at the top of the order. I would keep the rest same. I think they are trying to. I think Hardik is injured, so you can't put him in the team right now. And I think Bumrah there because he is injury prone and there's too much load on him, and you want him to be fit for the 50 over World Cup. But of course, I mean, if they were both fit and available for selection, I would most certainly have Hardik in the team. I would have Bumrah in the team. I think the rest of the team is good. Varun, I think the last 1 year form थोड़ा घटते जा रहा है. You know, like I have a feeling because आजकल इतने कैमरास है, इतना टेक्नोलॉजी है, so teams have started picking. You know, जब मुझे याद है, you know, 10-12 साल पहले जब अजंता मेंडिस आए थे, तो it was like batsmen were panicking. Nobody was able to read him. India had also gone to Sri Lanka for a 3-match test series. और पहले मैच में हम लोग they blew us away. But then they sat, they analyzed everything, and Sehwag was the one who I think cracked that. And once we cracked it, see, once a spinner gets found out, it's very difficult for him to have that impact again. Which is why I have a lot of respect for someone like a Sunil Narayan. Because अगर वो बॉल से नहीं चलेगा तो बैट से चल जाता है. So, but I think anyways, coming to the subject, I feel the rest of the team is good, yeah, and I miss Jadeja, but I know he's retired from T20. But we'll put him in the ODI team. And actually T20 से ज़्यादा मैं ODI को लेके बहुत excited हूँ because यार हमें भी पता है there are only so many more finite matches where we're going to see Rocco together. And every time, even now when we went to Australia, चलो हम लोग वो हार गए, I think 2-1 से हार गए. But it's such a joy. Those are core memories, you know. Like I tell everyone, so proud of when we won the T20 World Cup in 2026. But 2024 win in West Indies just hit different. Every match, every innings, the finals, your main players not being in form, Kohli having a nightmare World Cup, and then when it mattered the most, he came to the party. And that was like, just thinking about makes me emotional. That 2024 World Cup, you know, seeing the two of them lift the trophy was just amazing.
Obviously, that's a different emotion. एक सवाल पूछा ही नहीं है, मुझे भी personally जानना, I'm quite sure audience would want to know as well. Who is your favorite cricketer? One favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
And any reason you want to give?
Every reason. I love the way he has evolved as a cricketer, as a human being. You know, to see him have his arm around Suryavanshi's shoulder. Now I think at the after the finals, and just he's that guy, man. I mean, you know, वो जब आया था कैसा था? So different, and how he transformed himself, and I think he is largely responsible for this new batch of cricketers that we can see winning in India. तो हम लोग सदियों से करते आ रहे हैं. But to go to South Africa, to go to New Zealand, to go to Australia, to go to England, to go to these countries and show them that, boss, we beat us here. We are coming to your home ground and we will win. I think Virat Kohli has done that. MSD as well, no doubt. But what I really miss, and my one great regret, I have no regrets that he retired from T20. It was the right time, no doubt. I feel very bad. I feel he had at least 2.5 more years of Test cricket in him, and he has also publicly stated on numerous occasions that वो उनका favorite format भी है. And Virat Kohli as the Indian Test captain, best.
I think that's why
You know,
he's King Kohli.
there was that one amazing match. I think it happened versus England in England, and they were batting last, and I think they were only 60 overs, and it got caught on the camera where he's in the huddle and he's like, guys, let's give them 60 overs of hell.
Oh.
रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, and we won that match, I believe. He had that attitude.
I think that's why he's King Kohli for a reason. Now, आखिरी तो सवाल ये है मेरी तरफ से और इनसाइड एज फैंस की तरफ से भी, सीजन 4 आने वाला है कि नहीं? हाँ बोल तो अच्छा लगेगा.
मेरा भी यही सवाल है हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स एक्सेल और हमारे ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म Amazon से. ऑनेस्टली बताओ तो ऑफ कोर्स हम चाहते हैं कि एक और सीजन आए, एंड वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग आइडियाज. यू नो, देयर हैज बीन टॉक यार इस बार, यू नो, अभी हमने आपको पावर प्ले लीग दिखा दिया, हमने आपको इंडिया पाकिस्तान टेस्ट सीरीज दिखा दी. Why not let's do a World Cup? You know, I think that would be an amazing celebration of all the things. But you know, logistically कई सारे रुकावटें हैं, so many things which is far above my pay grade. मैं बस एक एक्टर हूँ, मुझे कॉल आएगा, मैं फट करके मैं कल जाऊँगा. You know, so as of now, sadly, we don't have a concrete plan or a release date. But we always talk when we meet, because I'm in touch with many of the people, especially showrunner Karan Anshuman. In fact, I've done another show with him, Rana Naidu Season 2. So we keep jamming on and off the field. So God willing, yeah, you guys will it into existence, make it happen. Start a petition. Tell them India wants another season of Inside Edge.
Let's hope कि आ जाए यार, मजा आ जाएगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि फाइनली हम आपके ये सब बनाते हैं ना, ये थोड़ी ना होम वीडियो है. We do it for you guys. So if you all want it so badly, we'll make it happen. Costs go up to make a show like Inside Edge, because सब चाहे हम एक्टर्स है या टेक्नीशियंस है या स्केल, it goes up. पहला सीजन जब भी हम बना रहे थे ना, we have worked for pocket money. We have just worked out of passion. Nobody anticipated that it would become such a thing. कहाँ पे शूट गया है, दिखाया तो ये सब फैंसी बट कहाँ पे शूट गया है. वो जो चेयर लीडर का सीन है, वो मैंने खारघर के किसी होटल के बेसमेंट में शूट किया है. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Wow, that is new.
अपने बजट से इतने कम थे. जो कपड़े है, कई सारे कपड़े मेरे खुद के हैं. जो द कार दैट आई एम ड्राइविंग ऑन द शो, माय मर्सिडीज, आई हैड अ मर्सिडीज बैक देन, वो मेरी गाड़ी है.
Oh my God.
So it was like that. Then by season 2, because it did really well, then everything suddenly became. Then we got to go to Georgia. जो हमने cheat किया कि साउथ अफ्रीका जा रहे, but actually हमने जॉर्जिया में शूट की. मस्त वहाँ पे 1 महीने शूट किया, चिल किया. It was crazy. It was big difference.
Try करो सीजन 4 आ जाए, मजा आ जाए.
Yes, we will try our best.
I'm तो like, I think I've not told my dad, I'm shooting with but my mom also watched it. My dad watched it. Lot of my relatives and all,
so when my mom and me were watching it for the first time, so it starts only with that cheerleader scene, na. So first we're sitting and she's hugging me, I'm so proud of you, this, that. And suddenly वो scene start होता है, धीरे-धीरे हाथ छोड़ती है. Then scene खत्म होता है, she's like, तनुज, ये सब क्या है? What are you doing? हमने mom, we had to start the show with a bang, so they wanted a धमाकेदार entry. She's like, in my times we never did all this. I'm like, यार, your times were different now. क्या बोलूं? यही सब चलता है यार. अरे कितने सारे embarrassing चीज हुए यार. मैं कहीं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, मॉम बगल में बैठी है. There'll be some youngsters, we had a signal. They'll be like, why you? So I'll put my window down. They'll be like, bro, why you की तरह गाली देना. हम like, माँ गाड़ी में बैठी है, मैं गाली कैसे दूँ यार. कितनी बार हुआ है.
I think I moreover enjoyed this conversation because when I was watching Insiders for the first time, I was moreover a Vayu Raghavan fan. अरे यार Vayu Raghavan, मैं वैसे Vayu Raghavan के लिए देखती थी, and it has been amazing to talk to Vayu Raghavan and Tanuj Virwani at the same time. And I think the audience also got to see the show, like the Bollywood and the cricket side today, and it's just such a amazing conversation that can actually keep on flowing.
इन्होंने मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी किया एंड शी आल्सो मेड मी फील कि मेरा कोई स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी है.
अरे
हाँ,
नहीं
कभी वायु कभी तनुज. आई एम जोकिंग.
ऐसे मत बोलो यार.
मुझे भी मजा आता है समटाइम्स जब हम शूट करते तो मैं खुद भूल जाता हूँ कि वायु कहाँ खत्म होते हैं और तनुज कहाँ शुरू होते हैं. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम.
No, but it's truly been an amazing conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.